Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RKDA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't even state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above $5.30. Now don't get me wrong, the price falls below 530. I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be down here at the bottom portion of this consolidation area. And that sits right at there at the $5 mark, we'll call it. So 530 and then 2 of the nearer term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at all of this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, because yeah, I get it. The price is way up there. This line's way down there. But as the week plays out, this line will move itself higher and higher. So from the overarching point of view and just, a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there I am defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 530 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? Initial level of resistance, nothing fancy or complicated behind this other than the fact of where the party essentially stopped, and that was right up there at $5.60. Yes, the price on a couple of instances got up above that area, but for the most part, the just general vicinity, kind of general price congestion point, very clearly right up there at $5.60, so keep an eye on that. Although resistance levels don't matter, what do I mean? What matters the most is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here, just building those higher lows, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be built in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations and building higher bases, and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.